Yo, hello guys, Switch here with another Midjourney lesson. It's going to be a product listing images, but before I started, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the TOYGERS app. Why it's so amazing, why you're supposed to start doing that if you didn't start it yet. And the first thing first, I'd like to thank for the 10 people who already joined me through my referral link. So basically, long story short, you are just going to grind points, and for like majority of apps, you're just grinding the points and you can use them within the game, and the game is going to be announced. But this app program is kind of different because those points you'll be able to utilize for buying basically some nice stuff such as hats, hoodies. Well, this is a t-shirt, but you know what I mean. Like going to be hats, hoodies, jewelry, different toys, not those toys which you can currently buy, like some robot toys, gloves. I don't know, I mentioned gloves or not, and then candles. And this is just like a fraction of what it's going to be. So this TOYGERS app is going to be basically Amazon. Like they're just going to do like so much stuff here. So you won't be able to basically collect everything from that app. That's what they claiming. That's what they announcing right now. So basically, I'm reading every day about this app, about this brand, everything what they posting on X, everything what they posting on the Telegram, and that's why I know enough to be already excited and hooked with this project. So basically, yeah, just join me. By joining me, you grinding a little bit of points to me. When you grinding the points, I will have 9% of what you're doing. But other than that, I'm just going to basically receive the same stuff which you are going to receive, but simply I will have more points because I will trying to obviously get as much people as possible to join me. So the idea is to basically do the giveaways from the gear which you will receive from them and from me. And yeah, I would just try to basically make a sort of business around this TOYGERS, because I think it's like a cool idea to get something for almost free. Obviously, we need to play a little bit, we need to grind those points, but at the end of the day, we can get this for free. Other than that, what's exciting is going to be a game announced within this app. So we are going to be able to use those points for the game as well. Apparently, the game is going to combine real world, our world, with the gaming world. We'll see what's that going to be. Another thing, if you really wanna jump into that, obviously there's like separate playlists for that project on my channel, and I will be talking much more about this sooner or later. But if you really wanna take as much as possible points before they're going to announce some stuff which you be able to use those points, you can stake the toys. So you can basically buy the toys. As you can see, I have 3 toys and something is unlocking. I don't know what's that, but basically if you're going to buy some toy, doesn't matter what price is it, you will be able to stake 20,000 points on daily basis. So you can just go to your toy and you can claim. Although I just bought them yesterday, so I can't really do anything because I need to wait 24 hours. But then after 24 hours period to be able to claim that point, so that's crazy good. And yeah, as you can see, there's my wallet connect. You can put your address, doesn't matter where you live because this brand is global. So pretty much that's it. And the last but not least thing, it's like super amazing and I'm super excited. It's basically unlocking your toy builder, which means you will be able to buy your own build as well, to build and buy your own toy, which is fucking huge. Because basically what I'm thinking is to basically obviously put my logo from the YouTube. So I just want to build my toy within my brand. It's super exciting. I don't know how expensive it's going to be. I assume it's actually expensive because I don't know that's going to be like everybody can build a toy. Although ultimately I really wish for it, so everybody can jump into that project and use maybe those points to build the toy. Let's say like 1 million points to build one toy. But I don't know. I will know more about this within 3 days. So as you can see, I have 2 hours to unlock another day and 3 days left for me to basically fully understand what we can basically do with the toy builder. Other than that, I know the toy builder will grant you on daily basis passive income of 10,000 points. So it's going to be working the same way as a stake in the toy, but obviously you can buy fuckloads of toys if you reach. And then you'll be able to basically make fuckloads of points. So I will trying to buy like 1 to 2 toys every month, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see what I can basically do with those points. Like I don't know what I can do with the points, but like if somebody giving me 20,000 per day by staking something which I ultimately want to collect, I mean, don't mind if I do. Like it's kind of no-brainer, because if we are going to be able to stake this infinitely, you will have fuckloads of points, which ultimately probably grant you some ton or other cryptocurrency, and because at the end of the day, they always trying to do something which you can earn money, cryptocurrency, and obviously you will need the points. So easy peasy, right? Making the points, staking those points, or using them points for some other stuff. I not necessarily need any like cryptocurrency, to be honest with you. I'd be like super happy to be able to utilize those points to buy some stuff, to acquire some stuff, physical toys, and just do giveaways from that on my channel. So we'll see how it goes. And yeah, I think we can jump to the lesson right now. Like, although I can talk for hours about this, and I don't even know possibilities what's going to be, but I'm super excited. I'm super excited because everybody for free can get some stuff. That's what they announced. So everybody will be able to get some stuff for free. So it's fucking amazing because there is no any other app which you don't need to pay anything. You're just playing whatever you like. It's not like you have target to play, but obviously when they announce gifts, they probably will put the numbers of obviously currency / yacht points to acquire those things, and probably it's not going to be like small amount because that will be defeating the process of grinding. But like I said, we will see. I'm super excited. I'm super excited and super excited. Okay. Everybody knows I'm super excited. Just gonna jump to the Coursiv. It's going to be a product listing. Just going to listen. I think it's on. It's on. Okay.
High quality product listing images. Hello, creative genius. The blogger you've been working with is expanding his business and now needs your help to create high-quality product images for online listings. These images need to highlight key features and attract potential buyers. Lesson, we'll dive into crafting perfect prompts for stunning product listing images that make products shine. To boost those sales? Let's get started. Picture this. You're tasked with creating product images that not only look great, also effectively showcase the features and benefits of each item. Quality product images can make a huge difference in attracting buyers and driving sales. The importance of high-quality product images. High-quality images are essential for online listings. They help build trust with potential buyers, showcase product details, can significantly impact purchasing decisions. Let's explore how to craft the perfect prompt for Midjourney to generate these images. Now, we will be using another cool command to generate images. Generate your custom style tuner. Personalize the appearance of your images using the style tuner. Use the HYDRATE command to generate a range of sample images showing different visual styles based on your prompt. Then, you can choose your favorite images, receive a unique code you can use to customize the look of future jobs. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay. What we have? Tune face cream tube. Tune face cream. Okay. Face cream in tube. Why there is no picture?
Open your custom style tuner. Now, when your style tuner is ready, the Midjourney bot will send you a direct message with a link to your tuner. Select images. Your style tuner will show rows of image pairs, each representing a distinct visual direction for your prompt. You can use the image you prefer in each pair. Don't feel strongly about either image. Leave the empty middle box selected. Copy your code.
Whoops. Well, I can put this on the full screen, although pure code showcasing.
Copy your code. Showcasing products in use can help potential buyers visualize how they would use the product in their daily lives. This approach can make the product more relatable and appealing. Generate an image. Now, with the code, you can easily generate the needed styled images. Simply use the Imagine command and paste your copied prompt and style parameter into the prompt field. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, it's image, face cream, then it's gonna be style and raw. Okay, amazing, right on track with your approach.
Enhancing product appeal. Make your product images even more appealing. Consider using lifestyle elements and settings that resonate with your target audience. This can add a personal touch and make the product more desirable. Blend multiple concepts. So, let's blend creativity with our listing images. Just add a double colon to a prompt. This indicates to the Midjourney bot that each part of the prompt should be considered individually. Words are considered together. Midjourney bot produces images combining the concepts of these words. The prompt is separated into two parts. Both concepts are considered separately and then blended together, like creating an image of a sailing ship traveling through space. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay, so it's going to be image, imagine, products. I have no idea how I'm supposed to put this. Imagine face cream. Okay, imagine face cream and then dots and cute kittens. Okay. Okie dokie.
Conclusion and next steps. Excellent. Now mastered the basics of creating high-quality product listing images using Midjourney. Blogger is excited to see how these stunning visuals will boost his online sales. Remember, each image is an opportunity to showcase the product's best features and attract potential buyers. Until next time, keep creating and refining your product images.
Okie dokie. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this lesson. Obviously, as you can see, my channel is going to be a web-free gaming channel, but I think I'm just gonna keep those basics courses, and I will just dive into other basics courses because there is probably lots of stuff like that. And the Coursiv course is actually a very good course, and it's going to be much more than just ChatGPT, Midjourney. It's going to be yeah, much more than that. But I think I'm just gonna do a separate video after I finish those four basic courses. Then I will do the separate video what we can expect more here from that program on this channel. So with that being said, thank you much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next videos. It's going to be much more about web3 gaming, cryptocurrency gaming, we can call it, or play to earn gaming, because I just simply wanna be able to multitask as much as possible. Apps, obviously the miners, you need to have money to turn them on, so I don't really have. Well, I had, but I put into the toys right now. So but the thing is, like, yeah, the miners are basically going to mine for you, so you don't really need to multitask them. You just need to press usually every 3 hours, and that's it. But I'm talking about the pure games, like just having like 20, 40, 50 or 60 games. It's not really that easy to find like games like I really genuinely want to play. Like I think so far I'm having around 15 games, something like that. Basically everything what you see in the description I'm playing. It's not like I'm not playing. I'm on daily basis. I'm playing everything what's in the description below in the video, and I'm trying to add much more to it. But obviously I need to be I want to say excited. Yes, I need to be excited about the game. I need to like the game, basically. I need to like the game to play. So it's not just, I'm not just jumping to every game just for testing. I'm going through the all fucking games, but then at the end of the day, if I'm not happy with this, I'm not gonna play. Like, I'm not trying to play games which you need to put money in it, because I know lots of people like me don't have money to put in. You just want to play to have fun, and at the end of the day, to just grab something from it. So those kinds of games I will introduce you on my channel, but obviously if we're talking about the miners, I will try to get almost every miner possible, just because you just need to pay once on the miners and you don't need to pay anything extra than that, so it's not really that hard to pay a couple of bucks just to unlock the miner and just basically use this on daily basis. Okay, dokie, so thank you much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. It's going to be Midjourney image upscaling, and we are having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more lessons go. That's what I think, at least. It's seven to go. So take care and bye for now.